Welcome to my very first episode of Coffee and Conversation. I'm your host for today, Ishang, and I'm so excited that you're here, guys. Today, I'm gonna kick things off with a get to know me episode because I believe before we dive into a deeper conversation, I thought it would be more great for you guys to get a sense of who I am and what this podcast is all about. So, as what I have introduced to you guys, my nickname is Ishang, but my government name is Kershaw. So yeah, you guys can start from there. And I'm currently 20 years old and I cannot tell like the whole thing about who I am right now, but you'll be able to like know more about me on the upcoming episodes. So let's move on what interests me in creating this podcast. Honestly guys, sa totoo lang redundant. I'm this typical type of person kasi who is more like into sharing things with people. Like, you know what I mean? I'm more of a sharing my interests, building a community, and I'm this person who loves to give an advice, ideas to all the people around me. So I decided to why not create a podcast for specific circumstance in base of what you guys wanted. But things that you guys can expect from this podcast is ideas on how to build yourself more, like more of a self growth, self improvement, and how you guys will be able to handle relationship and stuff like that. How you guys able to handle a student life, working life, student balance and stuff like that. So that's more yun yung more na if a future ng podcast na to. And I believe kasi nung bata ako, laging sinasabi talaga ng mami ko na sobrang makwento kong tao. Like, kahit maliliit na idea, isi-share ko siya sa mga, kahit sino. And I'm really insightful type of person. So, it makes sense why I decided to make this podcast, di ba? But if I could describe myself in 3 words, I think that would be authentic, reflective of who I am. Authentic is like genuine talaga ako sa tao, even sa kahit sino. I think even the first person that I met, magiging genuine talaga ako sa'yo no matter what. When it comes to my opinions, ideas, and stuff like that. So, ganun akong klaseng tao. Genuine ako in speaking and everything. Oh, I forgot the third word. Reflective naman is reflective ako lalo na kapag may criticism with regards on me. I'm more of like, bakit niya kaya nasabi to? Meaning to say, she saw something or he saw something na ganito ginawa ko and stuff like that. So from there, I'll try to like compose myself. And if I see that that one is negative, I'll try to like, you know, change my behavior in a way. And yeah, from there. Third thing is I can be diligent. Like, I'll do right thing talaga kahit walang nakakakita and stuff like that. So, parang pag may binigay ka sa instruction, expect that I'll do that whether you're watching me or not. And I don't know, basta may ganong personality lang talaga. And aside from doing this podcast, I think one of my hobby is creating a TikTok. I'm more of a sharing my life to people. I know hindi nila tinanong, kaya nga share ko lang. Pero yon, I'm more of like sharing who I am. So, if makita nyo yung mga social media ko na nandyan sa description box below, you guys will be able to see sa aking TikTok and sa aking Instagram kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. And yeah, from there, I think, hindi ko na kailangan mag-podcast. Kasi parang dyan pa lang ata makikita nyo na or makikilala nyo na ako sino ako. Like, ganun, be. Ganun talaga siya. Actually, the reason why I decided to do this podcast, it's because I was hoping to achieve, na ma-entertain. And aside from entertaining is inspire you guys. I really wanted na parang hindi ko tatapusin 'tong podcast hangga't wala kayong natututunan. It's like I wanted to get the 15 minutes or 45 minutes na hindi lang kayo nakinig sa walang kwenta, but more like, hoping that you guys can learn from me or can learn from the people na maigigest ko here sa aking podcast. And I think may kilala nyo sila into the upcoming episode. But yeah, so those are the things na ma-achieve nyo here is to guys inspire and entertain, educate as well sa aking mga listeners out there. And I believe I've already told you guys kung ano yung mga maitatopic ko sa aking podcast. But the next episode that I am gonna be doing is about the woman you are right now. So it's more like about women, but yeah. And actually, there's no gender discrimination. You guys can be I think it will be applicable naman sa kahit anong gender. But yeah, more like the woman you become right now. So that one will be covered by traumas, and cover natin yan. Yung mga naging past trauma mo, on how will you able to overcome it. And aside from that, kung ano-ano yung mga trauma na napagdaanan din ng, mga igigess natin so that you guys can learn something from them. And from there, you guys will be able to listen kung paano natin yun again ma-overcome and ano-ano yung mga steps on how we'll be able to handle our trauma. Since I believe hindi naman lahat ng trauma is over time na nag-heal, wala namang ganong klaseng trauma. So, you guys will be able to know more about it on the next episode na upload ko, which is by next week. Hopefully, you guys will stay tuned in. So yeah, that's it for today's podcast. I hope this Get to Know Me episode gave you a better sense of who I am. And again, I'm truly grateful for you tuning in today. And I'm even more excited, guys, to begin those deeper conversation with you in the future. Let me know what you thought about this first episode. Feel free to reach out via social media handles that I have put sa description box natin. And again, may mga email address din dyan, guys. If you guys wanted to, email me directly, please just don't hesitate na mag-email. And of course, I'd love to hear your feedback, suggestion for future topics. Until next time, thanks for joining for Coffee and Conversation. This is your podcaster, Ishang Lee. Have a great night.